Okay, next we're going to talk about absolute value. Absolute value of a number is how far it is from 0. The easiest way to think about it is to take away a negative if it's there and leave it alone if it's positive. The absolute value of -8 is written with these bars around the -8, and it equals 8. The absolute value of +8 is also 8. The absolute value of any number that's positive stays positive. The absolute value of any number that's negative becomes positive. So I like to think of the absolute value bars around a number as sending that number to jail. Now we hope that when we send someone to jail that they become reformed, that become a positive person. So if I send -5 to jail, hopefully he'll come out positive. If I send +5 to jail, I'm hoping he stays positive and doesn't go back to a life of crime. So any number that we put in the absolute value bars comes out positive. And the reason for this is because we're asking ourselves, how far is -5 away from 0? Well, it's 5 spaces away from 0, and we always measure distance with a positive number. How far is the number 5 away from 0? It's also 5 spaces away from 0. So the answer to the absolute value of 5 is 5. Let's try a couple more examples. What's the absolute value of -1/2? Well, what the absolute value bars do is ask us how far is -1/2 from 0. Well, it's half of a space away from 0. And we measure distance with a positive number, so the answer is +1/2. How far is -26 from 0? Well, it's 26 units, or 26 spaces from 0. How far is 17 from 0? It's 17 spaces, 17 notches away from 0. Again, the answer to the absolute value of a quantity is always the positive value of that number. And it's really that simple.